Hello student, topic number 5th, subsidiary books, and lecture number 9th, purchase books. In this books is also called broth books. This books is meant for recording the goods purchased for credit or manufacturing or for resale. In these subsidiary books, cash purchase of goods and purchase of other assets are not recorded. Even credit purchase of anything other than goods such as stationery, assets, etc. do not find place in these books. Briefly, this book is used by businessmen to record only credit purchase of goods and nothing else. For instance, an electronic dealers record only credit purchase of electronic goods or different dates. In this purchase books is written on the basis of inward invoice or purchase invoice, bill or credit memos. This पर्चेस बुक्सलाच आपण ब्रॉड बुक्स असं देखील म्हणू शकतो आहे. यामध्ये ओन्ली क्रेडिट ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स जे आहेत त्यांचं रेकॉर्डिंग या ठिकाणी केलं जातं आहे. या क्रेडिट ट्रान्झॅक्शन्सच्या रेकॉर्डिंगमध्ये ज्याच्यासोबत आपण ट्रान्झॅक्शन करतो आहे किंवा ज्याकडून आपण सर्विसेस किंवा गुड्स परचेस करतो आहे अशा सप्लायरचं नाव हे आपण त्या पर्चेस बुक्समध्ये मेन्शन करत असतो. म्हणजेच एकाच ठिकाणी आपल्याला सगळी माहिती अवेलेबल होण्यासाठी हे पर्चेस बुक्स इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. फॉर्मॅट ऑफ पर्चेस बुक्स त्यामध्ये पर्चेस बुक्समध्ये डेट कॉलम. इन दिस कॉलम डेट ऑफ क्रेडिट पर्चेस ऑफ गुड्स इज रेकॉर्डेड. देन नेम ऑफ सप्लायर मीन्स पर्टिक्युलर कॉलम. In this column, name of the supplier from whose goods are purchased on credit are written. And inward invoice number. In this column, serial number of inward invoice on this basis of which purchase books written is recorded. Then LF stands for ledger folio. In this column, a page numbers of ledger where defected personal account is recorded and written in others reading like it. Then amount. In this column the net amount of transaction like its credit purchase is recorded. डेट कॉलममध्ये ट्रान्झॅक्शनची डेट, त्यानंतर सप्लायर, जो कोण सप्लायर असेल तर सप्लायरचं नाव, त्यात इनवर्ड इनवॉइस नंबर्सचा जो काय इनवर्ड इनवॉइस असेल त्याचा नंबर त्या ठिकाणी मेन्शन केला जातो आहे. लेजर फोलिओ नंबर अँड अमाऊंट ही मेन्शन केली जाते. Then purchase return books. The subsidy books is also called return outward books. This books is maintained by businessmen to record the business goods returned by his to supplier or creditors from whom goods were purchased previously. Buyer may be required to return the goods under the following circumstances: when he has received goods in excess of the quantity for which order was placed, when he has received certain goods is damaged or defective conditions, when he has received goods which are not in accordance with the simple. Buyer will record such returns in the purchase return books, which subsidiary books is written on the basis of the source document. It's called debit note. Debit note is issued by the buyer to the seller when goods are returned. It gives complete details of goods returned. The specimen of the purchase return books is given like as there. Purchase return books, same date, name of the supplier, debit note numbers. In this column, debit notes issued to supplier or creditors are serially numbered and recorded in this column. Then LF and amount. Source document, debit note. Sometimes some correctness in some documents of the business organization become necessary. Such corrections or changes cannot be made in the original document either through cancellation or making new additions entries later on. In order to carry out the corrections, separate documents called debit note or credit note is prepared. Debit note is prepared by the business enterprise. Some reasons when less debit was given earlier. It is prepared by the buyer when defective or damaged goods are returned by the buyer. When extra credit or wrong credit was already given, for example, when in original invoice seller quoted higher price than the price agreed upon by mistake, when addition debit is to be given to rectify the mistakes committed earlier. For example, when by mistake seller has quoted lower price in invoice than the price agreed upon earlier. Contents: name and email address of the business enterprises preparing and issuing debit note, serial number of such note, date of issue of such notes, the fact of debiting or like as crediting account of the counterpart, amount in word as well as in figures, the reason of debiting the amount of the person or to whom such note is issued, signature of the responsible authorities.